Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today wrapping up two trades that I took yesterday morning at 7 minutes before 9 a.m. I decided to let these two run as the higher time frames was suggesting, or at least telling me that it has room to continue to move up. Today's date is February the 5th. And I took the trade, as you can see, February the 4th at 7 minutes before 9 a.m. I like the setup and the look of it so much that I decided to just stick with the pound yen. And after I put in one trade, I decided I wanted to repeat it. Now today is non-farm payroll, and at 8:30 a.m. the market can move a lot of pips, so keep that in mind. If you have trades running, remember to manage your trades before non-farm payroll. It's the strongest news report of all the high impact news. I also wanted to point out and inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50%. And remember, trading systems also has all these different indicators. So all indicators are somewhat lagging. And if you like indicators, like the way I like it, then you have to learn how to trade lagging indicators. And I call it the flow of the market. And once you master that, you'll be a successful trader. Now, I wanted to inform you that all the trading systems will work less than 50% of the time, including all the indicators. And it took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. Now, to get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you will have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You'll also have to learn trade management and money management. And once you get those three things in order, you will become a successful trader using any system that you have on your computer. So keep that in mind. Let's run a check on these two trades. Drag and drop this up. Now, as I was sleeping, it actually did hit it. I knew it was going to go up. I checked all the way higher time frames, and it was screaming that it's going to go up. So yesterday I took the trade right at this point before 9. Now in real time, these fractals were not quite in at, like they were not here as of yet. And once I saw it, I knew it was going to do a slight pullback, and the meter was also indicating that the pound was very strong. It was like more than 80%, and that's how I knew that it might do a slight pullback and keep going. So that is why I took the trade, got in at this cursor here. Now it did go against me at a maximum 17 pips. I kept an eye on it, and as the hours passed by, it finally hit my target of 50 pips, as you can see right there, 50 pips. And 50 pips, which is what I hit on both of them. I duplicated the order here. 50 pips, paid exactly the same amount of money as I got in at exactly the same price, and I closed out exactly the same price. I duplicated it, and each one of them paid $4,736. I can drag this one up also, and you will see it's sitting right on top of each other. Same thing. There's your 50 pips. And as I said, paying right to the penny, exactly the same amount of money. And 50 pips times 2, I ended up with 100 pips. And those 100 pips paid $527. And the time at this point is exactly 8 a.m. and non-farm payroll comes out at 8:30 New York time. And as you can see down here, the swap rates, they also paid me a bonus of $27 on each one. Watch yesterday's video and I talk more about swap rates. You have to pay attention to swap rates because right at 5 p.m. right here, swap rates will kick in. Either you have to pay the broker or the broker's going to pay you, as how I got paid yesterday, 5 p.m. Now in real time when I took the trade, as you can clearly see, everything was still telling me to buy, and this is a good example of a great way to trade using all the indicators on the top and the bottom. I teach exactly how to trade this way. And I knew the most it will do is pull back maybe closer to the blue moving average here. And I knew that I could handle a slight pullback as such. I am also using my new fractal trigger system. And there, I leave it on basically on the 1 hour. So I am looking at the 1 hour time frame while I'm sitting on the 15 minutes. And both the fractals and this awesome oscillator are, the indicators are both multi-time frame, and you can put this on whatever time frame you want. Fractals are on 1 hour, and I preset the AO on 30 minutes. So everything is telling me to buy. So if your system is not producing like my fractal trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. And all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this right up. Fractal trigger system, do charge $250. Comes with 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, and the only reason I give 4 is because I like to be able to switch on the AO down here on either the 30 minutes or the 1 hour, and one of them goes up to the 4 hours. And if you want to do that, then you'll have to change the fractals to a higher time frame. Also comes with 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Also comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and that's what you're going to need. A lot of education to succeed. Trading is very difficult, and you must remember there's only one way to succeed at trading. And if you want to be a trader, be prepared to putting in a lot of chart time, because it will take a lot of chart time and it will take a lot of education. Now the education you can get from me for pennies on the dollar. I have over 600 gigabytes on my computer, as I spent well over $70,000 on education. So I can definitely provide education. You have to provide the chart time. And if you don't want to do the homework or get the education, please do not open up a live account, because the only one who are going to be very happy is the broker, because you will lose your money, guaranteed. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I'm not going to go through all the different ways. And you can put on pause, look over it carefully. The number one and the best way that I love to trade, that's why it's right here at the top. It's a great way to trade. And pretty much in every one of these videos, you will be seeing many trade examples of a great way to trade. And I did throw not only this 9 bonus videos, but it comes with 42 training videos. And this is what you need on each and every one of my fractal, my trigger systems, the videos are slightly different, and this is what you need, the training videos. Like I said previously, a lot of education. Now this is so important that I decided to put in, and I just did it now. This is very important. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. Once you learn this, you will become a successful trader. Nobody ever teaches that. I went through over 700 systems. Nobody was teaching that. So that is why I decided to teach it. So moving right along, if you do have any questions about all the other things that I teach within the training videos, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I actually do answer the phone. I'm only working 2 or 3 hours a day, so I have all the rest of the day I am free to talk to traders. If you live too far, all you got to do, send me an email. And I do prefer Skype right here. All you got to do is click on this link. We will have a connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I will give you a free session. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you'll see 30 screenshots. So I do believe that just about wraps up this video. And speaking about this video, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.